Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about how to divide like a pro. We're going to be going over a few practice examples of some long division problems. Make sure to pause the video and try the questions yourself before I go over them, everyone. In this video we're going to be going over the process of long division. At the top of our page we have the steps that we need to take in order to complete a long division problem. First we need to divide, then multiply, then subtract, then bring down the following number, and finally we're going to repeat the process. If you don't have a piece of paper and a pencil already, please make sure that you go get one so that you can follow along with the process and each question as we go through it. If you feel somewhat comfortable with long division already, you can pause the video and try each question by yourself. If you haven't already, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more math videos like this. Now we'll start off with number 1, 54 divided by 2. The way that we write a long division problem is we write the divisor on the outside. And in this case, we're going to write the 54 on the inside of our little house. We need to compare the number on the outside with the first digit. How many times does 2 go into 5? We know that 2 goes into 5 a total of 2 times. This is the division portion. We need to figure out how many times 2 goes into 5, and there's a total of 2. Now we need to multiply the number on the outside of the box by the number that we wrote on top. 2 times 2 is going to be 4. Next, we're going to subtract 5 and 4. 5 minus 4 is going to be 1. And then we're going to bring down the next number, which is 4. And now here we have 14. Now we're going to repeat the process. We need to divide. How many times does 2 go into 14? 2 goes into 14 7 times. 2 times 7 is 14. And when you subtract these two numbers, you're going to get 0. And that tells us that our answer is going to be 27. Number 2, we're going to have 375 divided by 5. We're going to write the 5 on the outside, and we're going to write 375 on the inside of the box. How many times does 35 go into 3? 35 does not go into 3 at all. Next, we need to ask ourselves, how many times does 5 go into 37? 37 is really close to 35, and 5 goes into 35 7 times. That's the division portion. Next, we need to multiply. 5 times 7 is going to be 35. And we're going to subtract these two numbers. 37 minus 35 is going to be 2. Next, we need to bring down the following number. So we're going to bring down the 5. And now it's 5 divided by 25. Or 25 divided by 5. How many times does 5 go into 25? 5 goes into 25 5 times. Next, we're going to multiply. 5 times 5 is 25. And when we subtract these two numbers, we're going to get 0. So we know that the answer is going to be 75. Whenever you end up getting 0 after you subtract, that's where the question ends. Number 3, 861 divided by 3. We're going to write 3 on the outside and 861 inside of our box. We need to ask ourselves, how many times does 3 go into 8? 3 goes into 8 2 times. 3 times 2 is going to be 6. Now we subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2. And we're going to bring down the next number. How many times does 3 go into 26? 26 is really close to 24. And 3 goes into 24 8 times. 3 times 8 is 24. When we subtract them, 26 minus 24 is going to be 2. And then we're going to bring down the next number. Finally, how many times does 3 go into 21? 3 goes into 21 7 times. 3 times 7 is 21. And when we subtract them, we're going to get 0. So 287 is going to be our final answer here. Last, number 4. 7,416 divided by 9. We're going to write 9 on the outside and 7,416 inside our box. How many times does 9 go into 7? 0 times. So then we're going to include the next digit. How many times does 9 go into 74? 9 goes into 74 a total of 8 times. 9 times 8 is going to be 72. And when we subtract 74 by 72, we're going to get 2. And we're going to drop the next number. So we'll have 21. How many times does 9 go into 21? 9 goes into 21 2 times. 2 times 9 is 18. Then we can subtract. 21 minus 18 is going to be 3. And then we drop the next digit. How many times does 9 go into 36? 9 goes into 36 4 times. 9 times 4 is 36. And when we subtract 36 by 36, we end up getting 0. So the final answer is 824. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more math help like this. If there's a specific topic that you need help with, please make sure to include that in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. And that is the end of our video for today. Thank you for making it here till the end. If you haven't already, please make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. If there's any topic that you're having trouble with that you want me to go over specifically, please make sure to include it in the comment section below. I'm going to be paying attention to the comment section for this video in particular to see if there's any topic that you guys want me to go over specifically. So I'll be looking out for that, and I'll see you in the next one.